As mentioned in the Wednesday morning briefing on Tuesday, Oneida County Executive Anthony Picenti said there are 2 new additional cases for COVID-19 in Oneida County. That's now bringing the total to 12. Of the people that tested positive, 2 are still being hospitalized. And during the briefing at 3 p.m. this afternoon, Picenti will share a mental health hotline number available to those who are under stress. That will be streaming live on our website, CNY homepage, so you can check that out right here. In Herkimer County, there are 7 confirmed cases, and there is now a second positive case in Otsego County. We're told that that person has been hospitalized, and everyone who's had contact with the individual has been notified and is in quarantine. In Governor Cuomo's daily briefing, he said that approximately 15% of infected people with coronavirus will require hospital care. And as of Tuesday, the hospitalizations double every 4.7 days. They're predicting that the apex of need could be within the next 21 days, and they're saying they still need that 140,000 beds to be available just in case. There are currently 4,000 ventilators available across the state, but they're pushing to have 30,000. So far, 7,000 new ventilators have been purchased. There have been 40,000 responses to the healthcare surge, and this includes physicians, nurse practitioners, respiratory specialists, RNs, LPNs, and other medical professionals. In addition to that, over 6,000 mental health professionals have signed up and volunteered their time to be available for people who want to take advantage of the COVID-19 emotional support hotline. The number for that is 1-844-863-9314. And of course, that information will be provided below in this article. Governor Cuomo says he spoke to President Trump and White House officials about working to find vendors using the Defense Production Act to maximize production. And since Monday, March 23rd, there have been 5,146 new cases for COVID-19 in New York State. That total now is 30,811. The state accounts for 28% of all coronavirus testing in the country, and that's a 3% increase from the 25% we were told earlier in this week. So those numbers are continuing to rise. On Wednesday, the White House and Senate leaders decided on a $2 trillion package to provide a stimulus to the economy during this coronavirus pandemic. If this legislation is passed through Congress, then it would be the largest emergency aid package in U.S. history and the greatest legislative action taken against COVID-19 crisis, The full details about this package have not yet been released, but we do know that $250 billion will go to direct deposit for individuals and families. $350 billion will go to small business loans. Another $250 billion would supply unemployment insurance benefits, and that last $500 billion would be for loans in companies that have distress right now, that are really suffering the most. They'll be the ones that are seeing that $500 billion. And be sure to check CNY homepage for the latest updates on COVID-19 in our community.